Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make bang bang sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back. I appreciate you joining us from whatever platform you're watching us on. Like I said, we're making bang bang sauce. So let's drop down, see what our ingredients are. We have got a half cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sweet Thai chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of sriracha sauce, and 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. Let's mix it up. All right, got a bowl big enough for everything. Let's start with our mayonnaise. Sweet Thai chili sauce, sriracha, whatever. Right in there, and of course the vinegar. Now we're just going to mix this up. There you go, there's our sauce. Alright, well here we go. We've got some beautiful chicken nuggets here that I baked off. Put the sauce on. You can see right there that sauce clings to that very well. A little bit of cilantro for color. There's a shot right there too. Let's see what it tastes like. Creaminess of that mayonnaise. Heat of that sriracha. Heat of that little chilies and the chili garlic sauce, and then that vinegar gives it a little bit of a tang too. But this is really good. Easy to make. Beautiful. Bang bang sauce. And this qualifies for bang bang chicken, I guess, too. But make it easy to make. You've got most of the ingredients probably in your fridge or your cupboard, and hopefully you got some popcorn and shrimp up in your freezer. Take care. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul.